So if you want to lock apps on your iPhone, you can do that as there's no official way from Apple. But in this video, I'll show you two different ways to lock your applications on your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode without downloading any additional apps. So first of all, just open up the Shortcuts app and click on the automation. Then click Create Personal Automation and then scroll down until you find the app. Now click on an app and make sure it is on Open. And from here, simply choose the application you want to lock using this feature. So choose the application and click on Done. And then click on Next. And from here, you can just click on Add Action. And simply search for Start Timer. Now simply change the minutes to seconds and change the 30 to 1. And turn off Aux before running and click on Done. And that's it, and you're pretty much done. So just go back to your home screen. Now open the clock application and go to the time section and then click when time ends. Make sure that there is no audio or sound selected. So simply just scroll down and click here on stop playing, and that's pretty much done. So right now if you open the application, when you just tap on hit here, so open up the application. So as you can see, the phone has locked itself and you have to unlock your iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID or using a passcode to open your iPhone and access the application. Every single time you'll be prompted to enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone. Now I know that's not the actual thing, but the second way makes sense. It's using screen time. So to start off, open settings and tap on screen time. And if it is not turned on, make sure you turn it on and create a passcode. This passcode can be set different from your iPhone passcode which you use to unlock your iPhone. Once that's done, then just tap on the app limit. So it will prompt you to enter your screen time passcode. So I'll just enter it there. Now you can just add the application which you want to lock. So for example, I'm just going to select Netflix and Lightroom. Then just tap on next and set a timer to 1 minute. And also make sure block at the end of the limit is turned on. And just tap on add and done. So we have set the limit to 1 minute. So obviously we use the app for over a minute. And once you reach the limit, you'll get a screen just like this. And whenever you want to use the app, just tap on Ask for more time and then it will prompt you to enter your screen time passcode and then select for how long you want to use the app. And once you reach the limit, it will show you the same screen again. So with this feature, you'll be able to lock your app and also limit your usage on being your phone for hours and hours. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.